In this video, we listed the 5 best RC drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. M1s Mini Drone. The M1s Mini Drone stands out as a professional-grade quadcopter equipped with advanced features tailored to enhance the aerial photography and maneuverability experience. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 3 cameras, capable of capturing footage in stunning 4K resolution. This ensures high-quality visuals for both photos and videos, catering to professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. Moreover, the drone incorporates wide-angle lenses, enabling users to capture expansive vistas with precision and detail. The optical flow localization technology further enhances its stability and control, allowing for smooth and accurate flight even in challenging conditions. One notable aspect of the M1s Mini Drone is its 4-way obstacle avoidance system, which adds an extra layer of safety and security during flight. This feature is particularly useful for navigating through confined spaces or crowded environments, reducing the risk of collisions and ensuring uninterrupted filming sessions. Number 2. XD1 Mini Drone. The XD1 Mini Drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed for both recreational and professional use. Boasting high-quality features, it incorporates a dual-camera system capable of capturing stunning 4K and 8K resolution footage, ensuring crisp and detailed images and videos. Its integration of 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allows for seamless transmission of media, enabling real-time monitoring and control from compatible devices. One of the standout features of the XD1 Mini Drone is its advanced height-maintaining technology, which provides enhanced stability during flight, resulting in smoother footage and easier piloting. Additionally, its 4-sided obstacle avoidance system enhances safety and maneuverability, allowing the drone to navigate complex environments with ease and reducing the risk of collisions. Whether you're an amateur enthusiast looking to capture breathtaking aerial shots or a professional seeking a reliable tool for aerial photography and videography, the XD1 Mini Drone offers a versatile and feature-rich solution. With its blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, it stands out as a top choice in the realm of remote-controlled quadcopters. Number 3. Z908 Pro Max Drone. The Z908 Pro Max Drone represents cutting-edge technology in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Designed for professional use, this drone boasts several advanced features tailored to meet the demands of both enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of its standout features is the integration of brushless motors, which offer greater efficiency, power, and durability compared to traditional brushed motors. This ensures smoother operation and prolonged lifespan, making it suitable for extended usage and demanding tasks. Equipped with GPS functionality, the Z908 Pro Max Drone offers precise positioning and navigation capabilities, allowing for accurate flight control and autonomous flight modes. This feature is particularly useful for aerial photography, surveying, mapping, and various other applications where precise location tracking is essential. Dual cameras enhance the drone's versatility, providing users with multiple perspectives for capturing stunning aerial footage and images. Whether it's for cinematic productions, surveillance, or inspecting hard-to-reach areas, the dual-camera setup offers flexibility and creative freedom. Number 4. TOSR G6 Drone. The TOSR G6 Drone is a cutting-edge aerial vehicle designed for professional-grade performance in photography and videography. Featuring an advanced HD 8K camera supported by 5G connectivity, this drone offers stunning image and video quality, capturing breathtaking aerial shots with remarkable clarity and detail. Its integrated GPS system ensures precise positioning and navigation, enabling smooth and stable flights. Equipped with a 4K camera, the TOSR G6 Drone is optimized for aerial photography, allowing users to capture high-resolution images and videos from unique perspectives. Additionally, its obstacle avoidance technology enhances safety and maneuverability, enabling the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in its flight path. As a versatile RC quadcopter, the TOSR G6 Drone is suitable for both professional use and recreational flying. Its sleek design and advanced features make it an ideal choice for photographers, videographers, and drone enthusiasts alike. Whether it's capturing stunning landscapes, documenting events, or simply enjoying aerial exploration, the TOSR G6 Drone delivers an unparalleled experience in drone technology. Number 5. S8S GPS Drone. The S8S GPS Drone is an advanced aerial vehicle designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality aerial photography and videography capabilities. Equipped with cutting-edge features, this drone offers an impressive array of functionalities. At its core, the S8S GPS Drone boasts a sophisticated GPS system, providing precise positioning and navigation capabilities. This allows for accurate flight planning and smooth operation, even in challenging environments. Additionally, the inclusion of 5G Wi-Fi connectivity ensures stable and high-speed communication between the drone and its controller, enabling real-time video streaming and remote piloting with minimal latency. One of the standout features of the S8S GPS Drone is its 8K HD dual ESC camera. This powerful camera system delivers stunning aerial footage with exceptional clarity and detail, capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic action shots, and immersive panoramas. Coupled with advanced image stabilization technology, users can expect professional quality results with every flight.